Once more, Bellroy has done it again, and today we are looking at Bellroy New Classic Backpack Plus. This is something that the first time that I saw it in their website, it blew my mind. I was super excited, and I was lucky enough to be able to be one of the first one to get my hands on this beautiful, awesome backpack and unveil it for you guys. So let's check it out and let's see what this new backpack has to offer. So first thing first, I am super grateful and super excited to be one of the first one to get my hands on this backpack. I got my first backpack, the classic one, a long time ago, and I loved it. It was one of the best backpacks that I ever had in my life. But today, the new version is out, and I'm super excited to share it with you guys. First thing first, it comes in this beautiful bag. We have Bellroy sign right here. So this is the model. I got the black version because it looks super dope, but they are available in different colors. So if you like to get the different color, make sure to check out the website. Link is down below. So again, comes in this beautiful bag with a nice secret hidden message for you all out there. And oh my god, I'm super dope. And this is it. This is awesome. This is amazing. Okay, the first thing first, the texture, the quality. This thing feels so good. This thing feels so good. It feels like it's bulletproof. First of all, it's water resistant, so water is not gonna get inside. It's not gonna penetrate inside. It's weather resistant, and it's super thin. Look how thin it is. But don't be fooled by the size of it because you could pack so much stuff into it. So let's go over the backpack first. This is the front, and as you can see, it looks beautiful. And this is the back. Look at that. The side, this side, oh my god. This thing is a beast. And so let's go over what I love about this backpack. First of all, it is super slim. It's not bulky, it's not heavy, yet it packs so much pocket that you could basically put anything in here. The first thing that I love about a bag is an easy access for my phone, for my wallet, or my key, and this bag provides it with a really nice hidden pocket right inside of here. So right here there is a small zipper, if you guys can see it right here. This small zipper, when you pull it down, there's a nice actual pocket right here that you could easily put your smartphone, actually two smartphones. You could easily fit up to two smartphones and other stuff in here. Another good thing about this pocket is that there is a keychain holder right here with a nice clip on. So you could put your keys in here and just hide it easily and nicely tucked away with an easy access. So if you're looking for your phone or if you're looking for your keys, you don't have to dig inside your backpack. This is awesome, a game changer. This is for the front. Now on the back of this beautiful backpack, there is a strap, and this strap is magnetic. So it's easy to open, and one touch closed, one touch open. But sometimes I don't like to have this in front of me, and I like to put these straps on when I'm hiking or if I have a heavy load. And most of the time, I don't use this, and I don't think it looks that nice 90% of the time unless I'm carrying a heavy load. That's when I close it. But unfortunately, some of the bags out there, you have no option to, either you have to go with it or you gotta find another bag. But Bellroy has done something out of this world. This is fantastic, which is you could easily take these off with just a push. They come off and you don't have to have it in. So this is it. Look at the magnets. Look at this. Comes in. Oh, actually other way around. Comes in and then clips on itself, and then it comes off. That's how easy it is. And the good thing is that there is this little tiny, nicely made, well-made plastic right here that kind of clips into your shoulder strap, and you could adjust the height, make it lower, make it higher, depending on yourself. This is modular. This is all built for you. So depending on you, you could adjust the size on this and you're all set. Okay, next, we have the actual strap itself. They are very cushiony. They feel great. I put a lot of things inside of this bag and you don't feel anything because of how nice this foam is right inside. And the handlebar has a really nice leather texture right here that makes grabbing your bag super easy and super light, which I think it just looks beautiful. Now there's two main pockets on this bag itself. The first main pocket is the one right in the front, and as you open it, you are greeted with a beautiful inside covering. You have a place for your water bottle or whatever you want to put in here, your charger, your whatever you want. Options are endless. And you have kind of a cover right here, and then you have just the main pocket to put your papers, put your laptop, put your tablet, or whatever you have. You could put in here. And then there is another pocket right in here that once you open it, it's actually really deep, like my whole arm can fit inside of here. You could put all your stuff, essentials right here as well. And the nice thing is that if you have a laptop or if you have something that you want to put it in the first compartment, there is another compartment on the back of this beautiful bag that is again water sealed. So if you look at the zipper, this zipper is water sealed. So no water is gonna get inside of here. You open it up and then you are greeted with your laptop sleeve. Right now I have the all new 2018 MacBook Pro and this thing just slips inside. Now again, to store your computer's essential like your dongles, your charger, your power brick, there is a nice zipper just like in the front right here that you could store all your essentials in here without any problem or any worry. And that's it. But there is one more thing that I love about Bellroy's bag, and that is right here, there is a hidden pocket. Now this hidden pocket, you will not know this hidden pocket exists. But this one right here is awesome because you could store your important stuff, your document, if you have a really important hard drive that you want to store it, you could easily place it right here and close it without any worry. And again, it is weather sealed, it is waterproof, and nothing's gonna happen to it. And this is the card itself. Again, this is the Backpack Classic, Bellroy Classic Backpack Plus. And it just looks amazing. Look at this bag. Look at the design of this card. Even the design is absolutely breathtaking. I love it. I love Bellroy. I love this backpack, and it's super minimal. Look at it. It's on my bag. I don't even feel like there is anything on. And if I'm going hiking, I could take these out, put it in with just matter of seconds. That's it. Be on my way with them closed or with them open. Personally, I don't use this unless I'm hiking again, but if you're not hiking and if you're free glancers, this is it. Oh, by the way, one more thing that I forgot to mention. The back of this thing, it's like there is memory foam in here. This feels super awesome, super comfortable. Oh my god. So right now I'm going to show you guys what I carry inside of my backpack in a typical day, and let me show you guys what this bad boy is capable of. So the first thing is the front pocket. I have my Bellroy wallet in here. I have my AirPod. Of course, you gotta have your AirPod. You're gonna put this right here. Next, my cell phone in my Bellroy wallet phone. This is just to have easy access to my important card. And then finally, it is my Bellroy keychain, just to have my keys. So I'm gonna put these things right here. Nice and beautiful. Next, we're gonna go to the first pocket right here. I have, of course, my iPad Pro for those productivity or when I have to take quick note or draw down my idea for my next video, of course, with the keyboard. So this is it. Put this aside. Next, I have my Bose QRC headphones. You gotta have a nice pair of headphones for those times that you're in the subway and you need to cancel the surrounding noise. And I have my little bag with must-have essentials such as dongle, back scratcher, I don't know, iPhone charger, anything that you could think about, it is right here. Now in this pocket, right in the front, I have my sunglasses, my reading glasses, and you have to have a small clone inside your bag for those times that you want to spice up yourself. You gotta have that. Next, we come to the top portion of this bag, and I have my just running headphone or quick headphones when I'm out of battery on these things and I don't want to put this big headphones on my ear. And finally, my little USB dongle, so when I take pictures and I want to put it on my phone or my tablet, it's easy to do. Most importantly, I have my MacBook Pro 13-inch model. By the way, the 15-inch will fit here with no problem. And inside of this beautiful zipper right here, I have my choice of camera for go and shoot. Just took a picture. And easy access hard drive, SSD Samsung hard drive. So you see, this bag has a potential to carry a lot of things, and there is still room inside to fill it up, but this is all that I take with me on a daily basis. This was just inside of this bag. So if you're looking to upgrade your bag and if you're looking to pimp out your new school year, this is my recommendation to you. Check them out, links down below. Also, I wrote a really nice article about this bag. I'm gonna link my article down below as well. Check them out. If you have any question, comment, or concern, leave it down below. And as always, thank you for watching. I hope you guys liked it. And stay happy, stay classy, and stay beautiful. And I'll check you guys on the next one.
Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Click, listen, enjoy.